real estate market is about to blow up in Revelstoke, BC because of these big changes that are coming to the town. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with Real Broker. I'm a licensed real estate agent in British Columbia. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, BC, and you're wanting to see if it's going to be a good investment or still just exploring if it's going to make sense for you to retire to, well, why don't you go to the description? You can schedule a call directly with me and I can fully understand what your real estate goals are and give you the proper advice if Revelstoke's going to be the right place for you. And if you're someone that's looking for new construction homes specifically in Revelstoke, well, my team is selling most of the developments in the area. So if you want exclusive opportunity to discounted pricing and first access to all these projects once we start selling them, well, you want to reach out directly to me again because I'll be able to get you into these new construction projects. The first biggest change that's helping to Revelstoke and that's going to blow up the real estate market is the Cabit golf course. The Cabit golf course is literally a world-class development that's coming right to Revelstoke. That's going to see some of the most expensive real estate in terms of the chalets and everything that they're building in terms of residential homes on the golf course. This is definitely going to attract a more affluent people and definitely bring out a lot more tourism in the summer. Even though the national park still gets about 450 some visitors that come through the summertime, this should definitely boost the tourism and boost the economy that we're going to see in Revelstoke, adding this luxury golf course. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, drop a comment down below saying home and I will give you a list of the top 3 best investments that are currently in Revelstoke, British Columbia right now. Number 2 is the affordable housing projects that are going on in Revelstoke. The city's been working really closely with developers trying to come up and help with what's going on in terms of the crazy rental demand and how expensive property prices are getting in Revelstoke. Even though it still is one of the most affordable ski towns to purchase in British Columbia, a lot of the local people are feeling like they're getting pushed out, and this really sucks because these people are the ones that have born and raised there and you want them to be able to stay in Revelstoke and own homes. So our developer that we're working for, Boxford Homes, is one of the people leading the charge in affordability housing in Revelstoke. We have a few different developments that are selling at really great price per square foot that can help local people get into the market. So if you're someone that's want more information on these developments like the Hemlock or the Campfire, you want to go to the description, book a call directly with me. I can get you exclusive access into those to see if they're going to be the right fit. The other project we're doing is the Peaks. These are specifically designed. We've heard what people in Revelstoke said, that they want townhouses in the $600,000 range. We want 1-bedroom condos in the $300,000 range. So if you're people that are in that price point and you want to get a new home, this is going to be the only opportunity you're going to be able to do that in Revelstoke. So that's going to be the Peaks development. It's coming soon, but if you want more information on the Peaks and want to be able to get into her and get first priority access when we start selling it, we'll go to the description, book a call direct with me. I have exclusive access for all my clients in order for you to get in early. Number 3 is going to be the Revelstoke Mountain expansion. So there's been a ton of talks over the last couple of years that the Revelstoke Mountain is going to do expansion just to add even more to that tourism and make it even an absolute world-class ski hill right now, but just improve on that. There's a phase 2 master plan that they've put into the works that includes expanding the resort village, adding new chairlifts, and building a brand new slope style hotel. They're planning that this is going to open up into the 2024 and 2025 ski season. Number 4 is the widening of highway number 1 getting to Revelstoke. I've talked about this before and always make it sure it's really clear to people that, hey, you're obviously coming to Revelstoke for all the snow, but getting there and transportation and potentially leaving after or coming there can be a little bit difficult with all the snow that happens to go onto the highway. It's something that you want to make sure you're really diligent on. You're planning your trips, you're not pushing the speed limit, you're being very careful. But the BC government has done a massive improvements to the Highway 1, especially around the Golden area for the people coming from Calgary or coming from Alberta that are coming to Revelstoke from that area. This is definitely a massive improvement and is going to add to even more people coming out to Revelstoke. So if you're someone that's still trying to decide, is Revelstoke going to be the best place for you to invest in real estate, potentially move there full time, or maybe even retire in the future? Well, schedule a call with me. Go to the description. It links directly to my calendar. We can go over everything in detail to see if it makes sense for you. All I know right now is just it's showing signs of being the best investment opportunity in British Columbia right now. And I don't want you people to miss out on that opportunity to build wealth in real estate. And if you're someone that's looking for pre-sale or new construction homes, I have exclusive access to most of the developments in Revelstoke, and I can get you priority access with discounted pricing and before we actually take it to the public launch. So if you want access to floor plans, pricing, all the new construction projects going on in Revelstoke, well, you can schedule a call with me directly in the calendar there, and I can get you in there. And for all the people that are still wanting more information, trying to do your research on what Revelstoke's all about, you can watch this YouTube video next where I go over Revelstoke's real estate market in detail.